Download app. Connect with network. Choose a model. Select print photo. Adjust photo size. Confirm to print pictures. Photo printing. Up and down temperature arrives 120 degrees centigrade. Place mold into. Heat the machine for 10 seconds. Next step, put the phone case inside heat for 10 seconds. Put the printed pictures into the platform. Continue press the start button 3 seconds to start work. Machines do vacuum working now. The process does 180 seconds. Finish work. The machine will beeps. You can open the machine cover and take out the case. Phone case shows.